Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a new lead in Odoo CRM. This simple process allows you to keep potential customers organized and make sure your sales team has the information needed to follow up effectively. To get started, open Odoo and click on the CRM app. This will take you directly into the Odoo CRM workspace, where you can manage leads, opportunities, and your overall sales activity. Think of this workspace as the central location for tracking potential customers from their first interaction with your business through to a completed sale. By default, Odoo usually opens to the sales pipeline view, so this is the screen you should expect to see first. The pipeline gives you a visual overview of your current sales process, making it easy to track where each lead stands. For example, you may see leads organized into stages, such as new, qualified, proposition, and won, depending on how your CRM pipeline has been configured. Once you're in the CRM section, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the New button. This is how you begin creating a fresh lead entry. Creating a separate entry for every potential customer helps prevent important conversations, contact details, and follow-up tasks from being lost. After clicking it, a form will open where you can enter the lead's basic details. Here, you'll want to fill in the relevant information as accurately as possible. The more complete the lead profile is, the easier it will be for you or another team member to understand who the contact is and why they may be interested in your product or service. Start with the contact person's name, then enter the company name if applicable. After that, add their email address and phone number so your team has the right contact details available for follow-up. If the lead represents an individual customer rather than a business, you can simply enter the personal contact information that is available. You can also enter the expected revenue, which helps estimate the potential value of this lead. This is especially useful for keeping your pipeline organized and for forecasting future sales. For example, if a potential customer is interested in a service worth $5,000, entering that amount can help your team understand the possible value of converting the lead. As you fill out the form, it's a good idea to double-check the information before saving it. Even small errors in contact details can make follow-up more difficult later, so taking a few extra seconds here can save time down the line. Pay particular attention to email addresses, phone numbers, company names, and expected revenue figures, as these details are commonly used in reports and future communications. Keeping your lead records clean and complete also helps your CRM stay useful and reliable as your sales database grows. Consistent records make it easier to search for contacts, avoid duplicate entries, prepare accurate reports, and allow different sales team members to work together without confusion. Once everything is entered, click Add. As soon as you do that, the new lead will be created and added into your CRM. Before clicking, take one final look at the main details to make sure the lead has been entered under the correct name and includes at least one reliable contact method. You'll now be able to see it in your pipeline and continue managing it from there, whether that means assigning it to a salesperson, updating its stage, or adding notes later on. You can also record calls, schedule follow-up activities, track emails, and update the opportunity as the conversation with the potential customer progresses. And that's it. That's how you add a new lead in Odoo CRM. It's a very quick process, but entering the information carefully makes a big difference in keeping your sales workflow organized and effective. A properly maintained CRM gives your team a clearer view of its opportunities and helps make sure valuable leads receive timely attention.